Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to tell you, does this phone have wireless charging? Okay, so yeah, this phone has wireless charging, and also simply place it on the pad on the charger and it will start loading itself. Also, you can enable the fast wireless charging in the battery settings, so let me show you how to do it. Open up the settings, scroll down until you find the battery, and now scroll down, click on charging settings, and in here below you can enable fast wireless charging, and also of course you can disable it if you want by clicking right in here. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.